Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We're having a really quick look at Verasity today, and as we can see, looking like we are still trickling to the downside here, heading towards that key bit of support that I've been talking about for a good while now. We can pretty clearly see what has happened to Verasity when you look at this chart here, can't you? I mean, we've been talking about this for such a long time now, and we are getting down towards that oversold territory now, but nevertheless, we had this massive parabolic move where we got massively overbought in this area here, didn't we? You can see the hockey stick formation here. And I said at this point, this is a parabolic move, isn't it? And a lot of people were saying that I was talking nonsense and that Verasity was just going to keep going up forever. And we did get that overextension after that coiling motion, to be fair. But you can see with the bearish divergence, we were probably due to have a bit of a correction. We were losing momentum to the upside in this local area. And we could see once we got up to that key area at around 1 cent, people started taking profits. We got that double top with the bearish engulfing candle. And since then, we've basically just been non-stop. Day after day after day, just heading to the downside here. Heading down to find a key level of support that we are trying to find. We can see here that Verasity is trying to find a key level of support right now. Currently bouncing in and around this previous swing low area. But really, as I said before, once we kind of came down back into this area here, I thought we'd probably at least come down and touch the 023 Fibonacci level. Which is another position, another level, by the way, that I have another scaled long position ready. You can see I've been filled here, and I will probably be filled at this level as well. I do think that Verasity is going to have a very nice bounce once it does. But right now we are still waiting to see where it will find that support. I think probably it's going to hit this 023 level over the next few days from what we're seeing on the charts. And if that is the case, then I'll get a nice position filled here, and I'll probably have an average entry in and around this area as well, since I'm scaling into a larger and larger position as we go down. I do think realistically we're probably going to bounce maybe somewhere in between these two levels now, judging by what we're seeing. Obviously, massive move to the upside, retracement, coming back down and retesting that bear market resistance would be beautiful, wouldn't it? Breakout, backtest, continuation, that could easily happen in my opinion. As I always say, with Verasity right now, it is obviously led by Bitcoin, and really we are just waiting to see what happens with Bitcoin before we do see. Excuse me, I just sneezed. My goodness. I am a human after all. Before we see ourselves moving to the upside, we're probably going to need to see Bitcoin doing something similar. And you can see with Bitcoin coming down right now and essentially, you know, getting rejected at the top of that range high that we saw here before. Most cryptos are retracing because of that, aren't they? And you can see Verasity right now retracing. I do think hitting this 023 is pretty much guaranteed now. And then heading back down, maybe back testing this bear market. This bear market resistance would be really good to see some continuation, wouldn't it? But right now, things are just being led by Bitcoin. We're just waiting to see what happens next. And we will see what happens next over the next few days. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out with other investors every single day. So if you do want to get a bit of an edge on the markets and support the channel, that would be a great way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.